TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 4 p.m. Eastern time as we reach the closing bell for the week, and quite a week it's been. And we got all the markets finishing at highs for the day and for the week and forever, record highs. Dow Jones up 245 points, finishing at 27,333. S&P's up 13 points, finishing it off at around 3,013. NASDAQ up 48 points, 82.44, and the Russell up a solid 1% or 15 points, finishing it off at 1573. We'll start things off. Let's jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow, and quite an acceleration throughout the whole day and even the afternoon. We finish at highs, 27,321 in the September futures contract. Even from, you're talking about even from 1:30 this afternoon, we added another 100 Dow points onto that number. NASDAQ 100, we got a little bit of an acceleration as well towards the end of the day, finishing it off at 79.66. S&P 500 trades higher, session highs as we finish the day, 3,016. Pretty remarkable, the numbers we're dealing with. Crude oil holding above 60. We'll finish it off at $60.22. Dipped below $60 for a brief moment right around the opening bell and then charged higher. We get the gold contract trading higher for most of the session as well. Gold finishes it off at about 14.16, and the euro US dollar trading at 112.70. One of the news stories just breaking towards the end of the day, as you have, we'll get it, where are they? There we are. Facebook slapped with a $5 billion fine for privacy lapse for the FTC. They actually had just allocated $3 billion. We'll get down to this story. So where is it? There we go. Facebook took a one-time charge of $3 billion last quarter in anticipation of an FTC fine, which they knew, I guess, would be at least $3 billion. Probably liking that. It was a close one. 3-2 vote along party lines. Republicans voting in favor of that $5 billion. Democrats against. Not sure if they wanted more or where that came from. But nonetheless, $5 billion. The most remarkable aspect of that, folks, the market liking it. Look at that little end of the day rush on Facebook. Looks like the market might have been a little bit worried that they were going to have to pay more than $5 billion. And maybe that was on the partisan shift there. But nonetheless, Facebook finishes up 1%, maybe hoping they put that behind them. Nonetheless, I personally am not a trustworthy person. Do not trust Facebook. I am a trustworthy person. I don't trust Facebook, and I wouldn't trust them if I were you either. Have a great weekend, folks. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe. We'll be back here live at 9 a.m. on Monday morning.